So this will be going over the second question on the histogram homework, and the first thing to notice is that for some weird reason there's a little 2 here. That 2 should have been over here. For some reason when I put these in ascending order from smallest to largest, that 2 did not move over. It's okay though, if you ignored the 2, I counted it as correct. If you moved the 2 over, I counted that as correct as well. So it didn't impact your grade on this. For our solutions, I'm going to go ahead and move the 2 over. When I bin these numbers, as I've shown down here, I've got a parenthesis, which means, remember, don't include it, and a bracket, which means I can include that value. So my first interval goes from 0, not including 0, up to 10, including 10. Counting my values, then I have 1, 2, 3 different numbers between 0 and 10, including 10. For my next one, I'll go ahead and count. I'm going from 10 to 20, not including 10, but including 20. So I'll go 1, 2, 3. Looks like I have 4 numbers between 10 and 20. 20, once again, being included. From 20 to 30, I have 1, 2, because remember that 30 is actually included because of that bracket. Oh, one more, 3 numbers there. For my next one, I'm going from 30 to 40. Not including 30, including 40 though. And so I'll go 1, 2, looks like I have 3 numbers there as well. My next step is to go ahead and create a histogram. When I create my histogram, I'm going to start by drawing my horizontal line. I'll then put my number line on the bottom of that. I can put a vertical axis if I want. For right now, I'm going to leave it off though. I'm going to start my histogram at 0. So I'll come over here, we'll put 0 right here. And I'm counting by 10, so I'll go ahead and go 0, 10, 20, 30, and 40. I'm next going to go ahead and put my bars on there. Once again, the height of the bars corresponds to the count. So my first bar is going to be 3 tall. So I'll go ahead and say, I think that's about 3. Next, I'll go ahead, and my next bar is 4, so I'll make that one a little taller. My next bar is 3 again. And my final bar is 3. If I wanted to go ahead and put a vertical axis there, I could. I'd put it right over here, and I'd put counts on it. So I might say 1, 2, 3, 4. So another way of doing it there. A final way of displaying the heights of these bars, in case I don't want to include that vertical axis, let's say I go ahead and get rid of it. Well, if I don't have the vertical axis, I can also put the counts on the top. So I can say this is 3, 4, 3, and 3.